Hello? Most people get unsatisfactory results from AI, not because the technology isn't good, but because they're asking the wrong questions. Today, we'll see a method that will completely change that and help us get the results we want.
I hope it's really simple. I don't want to read a 20-page manual.
In just 2 more minutes, we'll know everything. It's a short and very effective method.
Every effective prompt to the chat should include 3 simple components: context, task, and format. The context refers to who you are and what your background is. The task is exactly what we want the AI to do, and the format is how we want the result to look, like a table, a presentation, a short text, an article, length, and so on. Now let's look at an example of writing an email using the chat. The context will be a marketing manager at a nonprofit organization. The task is to draft an email to donors, and the format is a short, emotionally styled text with a subject line. We've received a draft for the email. All that's left is to read it, make sure we're satisfied with what's written, insert the organization's name, and send it. Another example is a meeting summary. Take note of part of the transcript as a thank you. An example of a work meeting where the participants' names and roles appear at the beginning, followed immediately by the transcript. The structure follows the 3 components in this example as well. The context will be, I am a project manager after a technological color meeting. The task is to summarize the main decisions and action items, and the format is a table with subject, required action, and responsible person. We received an organized table from which we can send out clear emails to everyone responsible on the team and track the actions.
The better you describe the context, the task, and the format, and add simple rules like style, constraints, or a professional persona, the more brilliant results you'll get without having to fight with the chat.
You can ask for alternative phrasings in advance. If you know you'll want several options, just say so. For example, ask for 3 different phrasings: formal, personal, and casual. You can also assign a role to the chat. Instead of just asking, write, "You are an experienced expert in health nonprofits."
One last tip. Instead of asking for an immediate answer, ask the AI to pause and ask you clarifying questions before it starts writing. For example, before you write the email, ask me 3 questions that will help refine the email.
To sum up, every prompt in chat should include the context, the task, and the format. That way, we'll get the most accurate result.